Monica Singh, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my another Ajio haul video. Yes, I'm back with another Ajio top haul or Ajio summer haul. I've already made a video on that and you guys loved that video, so thank you so much for that. And I thought let's do it again because it's all summer and we love summer collection, summer wear on budget. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing tops under budget, which is for rupees 200 to 500, 200 to 500. Yes, and I'm also going to be sharing a pair of footwear. So yeah, that's it. So it's gonna be a super tiny chotu sa haul, and I hope you guys will love this video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get quickly started with this haul. The first one I got this really cute sleeveless tie-up detailing top in a baby pink color. I love this color. This is such a viral color right now. Yes, and look at the top, guys. It is so Pinteresty and so cute. Like पूरा soft girl vibe होता है ना बहुत ज़्यादा. Yeah, so I love this top. I love the pattern and everything. Look at the neckline. It has such a cute neckline and it is sleeveless, and the top length is quite medium, like it's not crop one, and it has this tie-up detailings, and it also has buttons on the front area. And look at the frill detailing. So it has this kind of frill detailings. It looks really cute. I love this. And the material of this top is 100% knit. It is a perfect summer top. Summers के लिए बहुत सही है. And it is really kind of lightweight as well. I got this in a small size, and the fit of the top is also amazing. I love the fit. It fits me super well, and I'm in love with this top. Seriously, this is my favorite, and I'm gonna pair this one with white bottoms, like white denim or white skirts, and you can also pair it up with denims. So yeah, both will go amazing with this top. And yeah, I got this one for just rupees 247 on sale days. Currently it is out of stock, but this will come on stock super soon, so just keep your eye on it. Yeah, and definitely go for this top. This is so cute and amazing. Like, I don't have any other words for this top. This is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's it for this cute pink top. Now I'm going to show you the second one. The second one, I got this really viral Pinteresty butterfly crew neck crop top from Ajio. Yes, this one is so viral. Like, आपने देखा ही होगा इसे Pinterest में और Instagram में. Yeah. So yeah, I got this one from Ajio. और ये मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले ही लिया था. It's been like 1 year. So मैंने इसे खरीदा था. And look at the top. I love the color. It is in a blue color. It is also available in different color, like in grey, but I got this blue one because it looks so vibrant and so pretty, and it has this embroidered butterfly detailing. Like, it's not a print. Yes, so it is a perfect embroidery detailing. I love this. And it has crew neckline and short sleeves, and the length of the top is quite short. Like, it's a proper crop top, and I love crop top. The material of this top is 100% cotton, which is really good for summer season, and the material quality is also really nice. I love the quality. And I got this one in an extra small size, so the fit of the top is absolutely amazing. I love the fitting. This looks so cute with fitted boot cut jeans and skirts as well. And this one is from the brand Trendy Old. It is my favorite brand from Ajio. And lastly, I got this one for just rupees 471, which is absolutely amazing for such kind of top. Like, it's so cute, so viral. So yeah, I love this top, and definitely go for this one. Yeah, so that's it for this top, guys. The last one, I got this white ruffle tailored fit top from Ajio. Look at the top, guys. This top has my heart. I love this top. Look at the vibe of this top. It is giving cottagecore aesthetic vibe. Yes, I love this top. Okay, so it has this deep V neckline and it has this field detailing also. And look at the back of this top, guys. I love this back. Yeah, it has backless. So look at the detailing. It has this ribbon detailing. I love it. Also in front, you will get to see this buttons, and it has long sleeves, and in the sleeves area you will also get to see this frill detailing like a butterfly sleeves. Length of the top is quite medium, like it's not crop on. So yeah, it is kind of different and really pretty. And the material of this top is 100% cotton, which is again amazing for the summer season. I love the material, and the color also. I love white, seriously. And I got this one in a medium size, and the fit is kind of loose, like yeah, it's not really fitted. Yeah, because I could not find my size, like it was out of stock, so I got myself this medium size. It is kind of like lows on me, but it's okay, I will manage. I love this top. And lastly, I got this one for just rupees 382, which is again really affordable for such kind of tops. And yeah, this one is also from the same brand, Trendy All. मैंने अभी तक tag भी नहीं निकाला है. So yeah, I love this brand, guys, seriously. So that's it for this top, and now I'm gonna be sharing the footwear I have. The last one, I've got this cutest ballerinas from Agio. Look at the ballerinas, it has bow detailing. It looks so cute. I love this detailing, and I got this in a black color. This one is also available in beige, but I wanted to get this black one because this will go with my every outfit. Yes, yeah, this is the plus point. And look at the bows, sorry, look at the look at the ballerinas, they are shining. Yes, इसका मटेरियल सिंथेटिक है, एंड बैलरीनास की क्वालिटी भी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. द क्वालिटी इज़ क्वाइट गुड, एंड सोल की क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है. इट्स लाइक लुक एट दिस. तो इसमें ग्रिप मेंटेन करने के लिए बनाया हुआ है जो भी है. ओके, सो यू वोंट स्लीप ऑन द फ्लोर because it has this grip detailing, whatever. And yeah, I got this in a UK 5 size. So the fit of the ballerinas are also perfect. अच्छे से फिट आ रहा है मुझे. आई लव द फिट, एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल भी है, और इन्हें पहनने में बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगता. दिस इज़ द प्लस पॉइंट. मुझे ऐसे फुटवेयर्स अच्छे लगते हैं जिन्हें पहनने में टाइम नहीं लगता. सो या, दीज आर द परफेक्ट वन. अगर आप जल्दी कहीं जाना चाहते हो, जल्दी कहीं जाते हो, ऑफिस जाते हो, ट्यूशन जाते हो, कॉलेज जाते हो, देन go for these ballerinas. Yes, they are perfect and very comfortable and perfect for summers as well. Summers के लिए भी बहुत सही है, and सब कुछ बहुत सही है. So yeah, and ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा Pinterest भी है, क्यूट सा है, आपके आउटफिट के साथ बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. And lastly, I got these ballerinas for just rupees 187. Like seriously, ये मुझे 187 rupees में receive हुआ है from Agio on the sale days. Yes, so you guys can also go with this ballerinas. सेल के टाइम पे काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस में आपको ये मिल जाएगा. एंड मैं और भी बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स रिकमेंडेशन शेयर कर दूँगी अपने on my description. आप वहाँ से चेक कर सकते हो. And yeah, that's all for this ballerinas, and that's all for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini haul video, and if you guys found this video interesting, then please make sure you like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my any new videos. And you can also follow me on my Instagram and on Pinterest. And see you all in my next video. Bye.